Here's how to enjoy comfort access to the new generation of BMW models when your hands are full. There are a few things to keep in mind. You want to stand at about a forearm's length right in the middle at the rear of the vehicle. And make sure that you have your key on you. If you're using a digital key like I am, be sure that it's not in your back pocket, simply because for a proper signal transmission, you want to make sure that your body is not between the car and the digital key. Then with a single fluent kicking motion, I'm going to move my foot completely under the rear bumper and immediately back again, like this. Then just wait for the lights to flash up, and as you can see, the tailgate opens up automatically. The single fluent motion is important, as it may not work if you start waving your foot from side to side multiple times, or if you stop your foot mid-motion right under the bumper. It's probably not going to work. To make sure the tailgate doesn't hit the ceiling of your garage or carport, you can simply adjust the opening height. Just click on My Vehicle, Doors, and Tailgate to enter the tailgate settings. And if you also activate operation by foot movement, the same kicking motion will close the tailgate automatically. See how easy that was? And be sure to keep watching our videos to get the most out of your BMW. I'm sure you know a lot about your BMW, but there's so much more. So hit the subscribe button, comment, like, share, and tap the notification bell to discover the full potential of your BMW. What are you waiting for?